Murli. The heading of Murli is Benefit for Everyone through the Flying Stage. Today, we will understand the Avyakt Murli in 4 parts. The first part is about Baba's blessing to all double foreign children. In the second part, Baba will explain the meaning of flying stage and its benefit. In the third part, Baba will tell us how to imbibe the virtues, and in the fourth part, how to do a service. Let's start the first part. Today, Bap Dada has especially come to give the double foreign children double congratulations. Firstly, because even though you have gone to far away lands and into different religions, you recognized the Father more quickly than the many souls living close by in Bharat. Congratulations for recognizing the Father, that is, for attaining your fortune. And secondly, just as you quickly recognized the Father, so you quickly engaged yourselves in service. So secondly, congratulations for quickly moving forward in service. The speed of expansion in service has been fast, and in future too. Double foreign children have to become instruments for a special task. Bap Dada is seeing that you are moving forward with deep love for remembrance and service. But let there always be a balance of the two. This balance makes you experienced in receiving blessings from the Father for yourselves and for the service. Now the second part of the Murli. All of you double foreign children are now going into the flying stage. Flying stage means there is benefit for everyone. When all the children have a constant and stable flying stage, everyone will benefit, that is, the task of transformation will be accomplished. Baba says, all of you children know that the flying stage is the elevated stage. The flying stage is the stage to attain the Karmatit stage. The flying stage is the stage of being in a body and yet being detached from it, of loving the Father and service. The flying stage is the stage of a bestower of fortune and a bestower of blessings. The flying stage is the stage that will grant visions of both angels and deities walking and moving around. The flying stage will free all souls from being beggars and give them a right to the Father's inheritance. Now the benefit of flying stage. Baba says, all souls will experience their special deities and goddesses or whoever are their instrument deities to have all incarnated on this earth. In the golden age, everyone will be in salvation, but you are the bestowers of salvation for all the souls who are present at this time. After a drama has finished, all the actors come on stage. So now, the time for the end of the drama of the cycle is coming. All souls of the world will definitely have a vision, either in their dreams, with a glimpse of a second, or through the sound of revelation everywhere, that the hero actors of this drama has been revealed on this stage. The stars of the earth have been revealed on the earth. Everyone will be very happy to have attained their especially loved deities. They will receive support. Now, let that scene emerge as it is going to be. You will be angels, then deities, beautifully decorated images with the divine virtues. For that, practice seeing yourselves in the stage of your angelic form from now on and continue to move forward. Now, the third part of the Murli. There are four main subjects: to be an image of knowledge, an image of constant remembrance, an image of all divine virtues, and service. If even one virtue is missing, you cannot be called 16 celestial degrees full. There would be all three types of praise: 16 celestial degrees, all virtues, and filled with all. Full of all virtues, completely viceless, and 16 celestial degrees full. All three specialities are needed. 16 celestial degree means you have to be full, perfect, and have all virtues. So, check this. Baba is reminding us that you were told that this is the year in which you can accumulate for a long period of time. Then the account of a long period will end, and then it would be said, for a short time, not for a long time. Now come into the line of effort making over a long period of time. You will then claim a right to attaining the fortune of the kingdom over a long period of time. Baba says UK means those who remain okay. Bap Dada especially remembers the speciality of every country and continues to make it move constantly forward with that speciality. Bap Dada does not look at the weakness but just gives a signal by continually saying, "You're very good, you're very good, you become good." If he were to say, "You are weak, you are weak," you would become weak. In that case, if you are already weak and someone else then tells that, you would become unconscious. No matter how unconscious someone is, if you give him the life-giving herb of an elevated awareness, an awareness of their specialities, he would regain consciousness. All of you have the life-giving herb. So keep the mirror of specialities in front of that one, because every Brahman soul is special. You are a handful out of multi-millions. Therefore, you are special. It is just that at that time, some forget their specialities. By being reminded of those, they will become special souls. The more you speak of their specialities, the more they will experience their weaknesses even more clearly. You won't need to remind them of them. If you tell them about their weaknesses, they will try to hide it. They will avoid it and say, "I'm not like that." Instead, tell them their specialities. Until they experience those weaknesses for themselves, they cannot bring about transformation, even if kept working on them for 50 years. So, revive those who are unconscious with this life-giving herb and continue to fly and make others fly. Now, the fourth part of the Murli is about the service. Baba says, there is a difference between the methods of Bharat and the methods of the lands abroad. But you have to complete service in a short time, and so this can only be completed on time if there is a fast speed. Everyone have a special chance of going fast. Therefore, each one of you is a server. Are all of you servers, or are only those who live at the center servers? Wherever you are, you cannot rest without doing service. Service is the sleep of comfort. It is said, when you sleep in comfort, that is the life. Service is said to be the sleep of comfort. If there is no service, there is no sleep of comfort. You were told that service is not just with words. There is service at every second. There is a service in every thought. No Brahmin can say whether they are residents of Bharat or the lands abroad, that they don't receive a chance to serve. Even if you all are ill, you can do the service of creating an atmosphere and spreading vibrations with your mind. Whatever type of service you do, you have to remain busy in service. Service is your life. To be a Brahmin means to be a server. Acha, to those who constantly stay in the flying stage and so have the stage of benefiting everyone, to those who always experience themselves to be angels, to the especially loved deities' souls who are to be revealed to the world as the specially loved deities, to those who always consider themselves to be special souls and who give others the experience of their specialities, to the special souls, Bap Dada's love, remembrance, and namaste. Bap Dada gives blessing. May you claim the degree of a destroyer of obstacles by the experiencing the Father's canopy of protection and become an embodiment of experience. Baba explains the meaning of it. When the Father is with you, no one can do anything to you. The experience of His company becomes a canopy of protection. Bap Dada always protects the children anyway. Test papers come to make you experienced, and so always think that paper has come for you to move forward to the next class. It is with this that you will claim the degree of a destroyer of obstacles and the blessing of being an embodiment of experience for all time. If some now make a little noise or create an obstacle, they will gradually cool down. Slogan is, those who become cooperative at a time of need receive multi-million fold return of one. Om Shanti.